What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Nissan Versa Smart Key Remote Fob. This Nissan Versa key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2025, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on, and the key will pull out like that. We can just set that to the side. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, off to the left hand side we see this little notch right here. What I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that notch like that and then just twist. And as I do that, you can see it starts to split the case apart like that. Then I'm going to take my screwdriver, and in that crack I'm carefully just going to run my screwdriver along that. And as I do that, it's opening the fob. Then once you get it far enough opened, you can pull it the rest of the way off with your hands like that. In the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. I'll just use my screwdriver to get under the edge of that. You may be able to get that out just with your fingers. But either way, once we get the old battery out, we'll grab our new battery. And you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down. Like that. Snap the new battery down into that holder. Then we can snap the two halves of the case back together. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.